Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents from Dropbox to OneDrive with SharePoint migration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start transferring documents from Dropbox to OneDrive, ensure you have both accounts set up and accessible. Begin by logging into your Dropbox account on your preferred web browser. Navigate to the folder where the documents you want to transfer are located. Select the files or folders you wish to move. Click on the download option to save the selected items to your local device. Once the download is complete, open a new tab and log into your OneDrive account. In OneDrive, navigate to the folder where you want to upload your documents. Click on the Upload button, typically found at the top of the page. Choose Files or Folder depending on what you downloaded from Dropbox. Locate the downloaded documents on your device and select them to begin the upload process. Monitor the upload progress to ensure all files are successfully transferred. For a more efficient migration, consider using SharePoint for larger datasets. Log into your SharePoint account and select the site where you want to migrate your documents. Navigate to the document library in SharePoint you'll be using. Click on Upload and select Files or Folder as needed. Drag and drop your previously downloaded documents from your local device into the SharePoint library. Alternatively, select the files manually to begin the upload. Once uploaded, verify that all documents are intact and properly organized in SharePoint. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or file size limits. After confirming the successful migration, notify your team about the new document locations. This ensures everyone is aware of the new files and can access them as needed. With these steps, you have successfully transferred documents from Dropbox to OneDrive using SharePoint migration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.